Oh, hi. Didn't see you there. Look at me. Now back at yourself. Now back to me. Now back to yourself. These are trees. I'm on a bench. We will be exploring nature. Try to keep up.
Zach, we're late. We're all down here. Let's use the stairs. Come on.
We're the nature show. We don't use stairs. Oh, God, the pain! The pain! It hurts.
You deserved it.
Everywhere.
This is a puddle, and you're watching The Nature Show.
Damn it.
We find the elusive land duck in its natural habitat, land.
Crikey, what we have here is a jogger, one of the most dangerous creatures in the world. I'm gonna poke it with a stick. This is real dangerous right here. Don't attempt this at home or in your local jogging place. Should be good.
Here we find the abundant tree leaf. Unlike its cousin, the ground leaf, the tree leaf lives in trees. And now here we find the cousin of the ground duck from earlier, the water duck. While far more common, they're also adorable.
Oh! That was cool.
Come on, duck. Come on, duck. Duck, duck, duck.
Turn.
Oh, its little legs.
And now, you may not be able to see this, but deep within this vast lake, there is a secret monster. Locals call it the Lafayette Reservoir Monster, but its scientific name is Lafayetticus aquaticus. And some say, on a rainy day, when lightning strikes a small water duck, it will rise again.
And here we have Canadian geese, far more docile and quiet and gentle than their cousins, the American geese, which are usually seen toting their classic shotgun and cheeseburger.
All right, now touch them. Touch them. Touch the geese.
No,
Why not?
they're scary and they have eyes of evil.
Touch the goose.
You can't make me.
It's in your contract. Touch it.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. You signed a deal. Touch the geese.
You told me this was a record deal. I don't even like animals.
Touch the geese.
No, I don't know. Just
Give
look
me
at
the
those-
contract.
Just look at those necks, though. They're necks of evil.
You know, I'm getting the contract. I will prove this to you. My underpaid assistant, who isn't paid, is getting me the contract. Touch the geese.
I'll wrestle a bear and I'll, like, pet a moose, but I am not.
Look, right here, in your contract, it says, must touch geese. You signed it, do it.
Okay, let me just go.
No, get him! Get, buddy!
Do you think they're coming back, Master Williams?
Maybe not. Antonio will get.
Oh my, look at that cloud. No, not that one, that one. No, not that one, you idiot, that one. No, which cloud do you think I'm talking about?
I don't know.
Oh, you are just, communication is just terrible. You know, yeah, you know what, forget it. Just cut this out in post-production.
Sure. Action.
And here we have the very rare, very underground species called the industrial chameleon. This chameleon has evolved to a place where it no longer just blends its color, but can actually take on the appearance of trash with doggy droppings in it. And now here we have the mysterious park bench, placed here centuries ago by our forefathers. And to this day, no one has been able to deduce why it is that it was placed here, next to that duck. But some say there's a deep mystery to it. Dun dun dun.
That's goodwill.
Action.
And here we have the anti-gravity leaves. One touch and I'm a goner. They have the unspeakable ability to stick to objects and refuse the laws of gravity. Amen to that.
My God, what have we here? It's a purple turtle bear. It's gone.
All right, let's go this way. Oh, look what I found. It's lichen. Come on, zoom into this. All right, now this is very special. You see, you can boil it down. Look at the lichen. You can boil it down into a black sludge, which you can use to eat or lather yourself and dance around like a little schoolgirl. Also, when inhaled, it is a very, very potent hallucinogenic. All right.
That concludes our show of nature here on The Nature Show. Join us next time with... Oh God, it's you!
Why would you?
Oh my God!
A stick! Ah!
This is a bad idea. What are we doing? What's going on? Ah! No. Oh my God!
you're
Ah!
biased.
No! Ah! Ah! Ah!
Oh my God!
Bye now.
Blood everywhere! Wait, Will, there are people...
This is a puddle.
No, stop.
Sorry, I'm sorry.
Alright, let's go this way. Oh, look what I found.
Yeah,
It's lichen.
wonderful.
Now this is a
Bullshit.
Damn it! I can't go with it. Damn it! Alright, let's go this way. Oh, look what I found. Come in closer for this. It's lichen. Now this is very, very special. Okay, you can melt it down and boil it into a nice black sludge, which you can.
Did you say you can boil it into meth?
Get down! No, meth is illegal. Don't eat meth. Why? Why do you ruin this? It was going so well.
Zach, we're running late. Just use the stairs. We're all down here already.
We're the nature show. We don't use stairs. That was terrible.
It was.
I broke.
You need to hold it for longer.
Over there.
Yeah, we have to get like... Because otherwise you're going to have all of those branches in the way.
You won't be able to hear my audio.
You're going to want like somewhere over here at least, if it's not closer.
When are you gonna call action?
It's been recording.
He's recording.
No, I'm not.
Now you are, probably.
Nope.
Aha, sure will.
Just keep going.
Should we start heading back soon, Master Williams?